He produced impactful documentaries and programs.
नारेबाजी करने के लिए आप सदन के बाहर जाओ। सदन में नारेबाजी करना उचित नहीं है। सदन में नियमों से सवाल उठाओ। अमर सिंह, नो। आप प्रश्नकाल जैसे महत्वपूर्ण विषय पर जवाब मांगते हो, सरकार जवाब देने को तैयार है। ये सदन है। नारेबाजी करने के लिए आप सदन के बाहर जाओ। सदन में नारेबाजी करना उचित नहीं है। सदन में नियमों से सवाल उठाओ। अमर सिंह, नो। आप प्रश्नकाल जैसे महत्वपूर्ण विषय पर जवाब मांगते हो, सरकार जवाब देने को तैयार है। ये सदन है। नारेबाजी करने के लिए आप सदन के बाहर जाओ। सदन में नारेबाजी करना उचित नहीं है। सदन में नियमों से सवाल उठाओ। अमर सिंह, नो। आप प्रश्नकाल जैसे महत्वपूर्ण विषय पर
You heard that from the speaker reprimanding the MPs that as far as the ruckus is concerned. I'm going to go back, in fact, to Maushmi for more on that, showing our viewers these pictures of ruckus that broke out as expected. All right. In fact, previously, the speaker also spoke on the Pahalgam terror attack. Let's take a listen.
दिनांक 22 अप्रैल 2025 को जम्मू कश्मीर के पहलगाम में हुए आतंकवादी हमले में 26 निर्दोष व्यक्तियों की नरसंग हत्या कर दी गई। आतंकवाद की इस घटना ने पूरे देश ही नहीं बल्कि संपूर्ण विश्व की चेतना को आघात पहुंचाया है। ये सभा उन सभी मृतकों के प्रति गहरा शोक व्यक्त करती है तथा आतंकवाद के विरोध भारत की जीरो टॉलरेंस के संकल्प को दोहराती है।
I'm going to go straight across to Maushmi for more on that. Maushmi, talk to us about what is now expected. I mean, how is the government at the end of the day willing to raise this matter, given that this was expected, isn't it? A debate on Operation Sindoor. What is the government now offering to do?
Neha, clearly, there could be a deadlock that could prevail because here the government is very clear that the defense minister could possibly be giving a statement on Operation Sindoor as it falls in his ambit. And that is the stand of the government. And the opposition parties want the prime minister to answer questions of security lapse of Donald Trump's continuous tirade and claiming that he brokered a ceasefire between India and Pakistan. They want that the Prime Minister of India, Narendra Modi, should answer on that question, and the government is clearly very clear on that count. And so perhaps the question really is whether there will be an icebreaker of sorts, a middle ground that will be found on this one. And so, apart from this issue, the other issue that prevails is of the SIR, the voter list revision that's happening in Bihar, and how the constitution and the election commission is being subverted is the allegation of the opposition. They would want a detailed discussion on that. But initially, as we had pointed out a few days ago and repeatedly said, that there will be a stalemate with the opposition calling for the Prime Minister to give a statement that we've seen those disruptions happen. The opposition seems to stand in unity. We'll have to wait and see how the government counters that one. The monsoon session, the first day has started with a fiery start with the opposition coming prepared with placards, banners and slogans.